Good morning, friends. I am Jasdeep and I represent Cognate Systems and Solutions Private Limited. We are based out of Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh in India. And today we will be demonstrating iBeacon. Now, when we talk about iBeacon, what iBeacon is? iBeacon is a Bluetooth technology which is used to locate particular object of use for an individual user. Now, when I say that iBeacon uses Bluetooth technology, we would be using certain iBeacon devices. Over here, my friends and my colleagues have set up certain iBeacon devices. As of now, for this demonstration, we are using two different iPhones that would be working as iBeacons. The first iPhone is situated right here, as you could see, and I'll move to the another corner of the room where we have set up another iPhone which would be acting as another iBeacon device. So when I say iBeacon as an iPhone device, for an iPhone to work as an iBeacon device, we need to specify three different parameters, that is UUID, major ID and minor ID. These three parameters we have already set up in these two devices. The first device is right across on my right hand side and the other device which is on my left hand side. For this demo purpose, we have taken a use case as a user visiting an art gallery, where the user visits the art gallery and as and when he passes through the picture, the information of the pictures are available or pushed to his cell phone using an application which is developed on an Android device. And for this particular demonstration, my colleague Anshudeep has developed an application and he would be demonstrating it as a visitor to the gallery which has that particular application. Now, this is my friend Anshudeep who will take forward this particular demonstration. Anshudeep, please switch on your application. Now, once the application is started, the Android app is started, as we could see, beacons not in range is available on screen. Since we have set up the iPhones and the beacons have not yet started, hence it is giving us as beacons not available. So I go one by one to the iPhone devices and start off the beacons. Let me start the very first beacon, and there is a simple button, broadcast button, which I enable. This iPhone device will now act as a beacon. For the demonstration purpose, we have specified this painting as a Mona Lisa painting, wherein once Anshudeep comes into a range of this iBeacon device, the painting will give me the details of the painting, which is the Mona Lisa painting. I'll go to the another iBeacon device and switch it on. Here, I have switched it on. Here, we are using another picture, which is the Radha Krishna picture. So once Anshudeep will come from one picture to another picture, the Android application will prompt him or give him the information, the required information on his cell phone through that particular application. So Anshudeep, if you could please come and demonstrate. Anshudeep, please start your application and come near the picture.
Yes, sir.
Now you could see as Anshudeep is coming nearer to the beacon device, the application will rightly consume the information from the beacon and display it on the mobile device. Now this particular beacon is representing a photograph of Mona Lisa, which we could very well see. I will guide Anshudeep to come with me and check for the another picture, that is of Radha Krishnan. So Anshudeep would be moving ahead just like an art gallery in this particular room, and as and when he comes near the another iBeacon device, we are now seeing the Radha Krishnan image. And for testing purpose, I request Anshudeep once again to perform this entire operation. Go near to the Mona Lisa painting. Now we could see the Mona Lisa painting is reflected. Fantastic. Okay, so friends, that concludes our demo of iBeacon, and in this demo, we have seen that two iPhone devices that were working as iBeacon and a user that user was coming nearer to the iBeacon device, and the user or the iBeacon device were pushing the information onto the user application. Thank you so much for watching this demo.
Thank you, Ashdeep. Thank you, Jasir.